久しぶり。すべて問題なし。違和感。これでいい。殺す。
All my friends are toxic, all ambitionless, so rude and always negative. I need new friends, but it's not that quick and easy, or I'm drowning.